Hello guys, today I will be showing you how I made these viral character swap using famous memes and celebrities and racking up millions of views. This is the results which I personally got using this method, and you can check my TikTok and Instagram too. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and let's get straight into the video. We start by opening this tool called Kling. It is the latest and best software for swapping people and is very cheap to do so. Create an account using the link below, and you will receive free 200 credits to use. If you want the plan, it costs around $8.8, which is less than your McDonald's order. For this example, I am going to swap myself with a popular meme which went viral in the soccer world. It is called Dictator Mbappe. We are going to look for the image for the character we want to swap with. Look for an image where most of the body is visible. We are going to choose this one, and we are going to paste the chosen image in ChatGPT. After, we need a reference image of yourself doing the desired position, and paste this prompt which I use, and you can find in the description below. Then, we just submit this and wait for the image to be generated. You should get something like this. Now this is the exciting part. We're going to create the swap effect. Now that we have the desired image with the desired background, in the image box, just add the character you created using ChatGPT. On the video box, click it and upload your video which you want to copy. The video I'm using is currently 5 seconds. I keep it short because the longer the video, the more credits it will use. Using the model is very important. The Kling 3.0 video model was released in February of 2026, so this is the latest model which will cost more. It is up to you which one you go for. I usually use Video 3.0 with 720p or Video 2.6 with 1080p. After doing this, in the prompt box, write this down. This will keep the camera angle fixed, as usually there is a lot of flickering. This will prevent it. After doing this, just click Generate and wait a couple of minutes for the results. Once the video is done, you can download it. For reference, this one is Video 2.6 and 720p quality. It doesn't look bad, but if you want premium quality, you can use Video 3.0 and 1080p, which will look better and smoother movements. This is the result I got. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it useful, please subscribe and share for more weekly AI videos. Thank you very much.